roller coaster of emotion. Umpendulo akasafuna ukuzwa lutho, akasafuna ukuzwa umuntu. Futhi nakhona he's even embarrassing himself because khona le pain le ayizwayo ngaphakathi sekalala no Bia. Like there's nothing that makes sense to him now. He's starting to go through emotions and starting to think of all the messages that the mother sent to him. Now sekahleli laphayana and thinking ukuthi uLeroy says uMamNomeva bengamthandisisi kahle lo baba. So now everything is coming back to his mind. Ngathi kuyadlala njenge tape record and he's just thinking ukuthi no man, O2 no 2 is not make sure. So what do I then do? Then he's just like a dog on the loose. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Sanibona Absheni Molweni minjani? Yipukile hingangwina. So namuhla kano kwa hina wa Smoke and Mirrors. Kayise shila sithamise kangikahle because bamfundisi decided that ngomele sifihle na wonke umese yonke into asifihleni because ukayise can be a danger to herself. So we just need to try and protect it, which is irritating her. On the other hand, u-aunty wakhe, who happens to be the mother now, she is trying by all means ukuthi alahlele imali, and ungathi lo mntana lo ukayise is not about that life yemali because funela uma wakhe, and then which she found herself going back to that guy lo wamsiza lo wafonela abantu ukuthi lalela na ingane siyaziphonsa aye kuye, and then she started smoking. I'm thinking, when did you even start smoking, child? Now uyakhuluma lapho ukuthi into emphethe kabuhlungu ukuthi nje beyangazi ukuthi lo mama lo uma wakhe kanti aunty wakhe uma wakhe noma wakhe u-aunty wakhe, so it just gets a whole lot complicated. On the other hand, uSiza is trying to think of ways to get rid of Umpendulo, and I'm just like, Umpendulo ingane Nkosi yami, like what more can you do? Mr. Mayor is determined ukuthi lalela, this company, I'm going to take it.